Slot die coating is a key step in thin-film battery production, used to deposit a thin, uniform electrode layer onto a prepared substrate. The quality of this coating sets the foundation for the subsequent processing steps, including drying, calendaring, and assembly. It can be performed in two ways: on individual sheets or on continuous rolls of substrate. Both methods achieve precise, reproducible coatings, but the workflow differs slightly for each. When sheet coating, start by placing a piece of bleeding paper on the vacuum chuck to create a smooth surface and improve adhesion. Position the substrate on top and activate the vacuum to hold it securely. Load and prime the slot die head with slurry until it exits evenly, then mount it onto the coater. Set the chuck temperature and coating speed, then start the pump. Start coating to apply a uniform layer. Once dried, the sheet is ready for the next stage of battery fabrication. For continuous production, the substrate is unwound from a roll. The slot die head deposits a thin slurry layer with high precision. The coated substrate passes through a drying system, such as hot air, infrared, or UV, to remove solvents and ensure proper adhesion. Finally, the dried substrate is rewound into a clean roll, ready for the next processing steps. Whether coating individual sheets or continuous rolls, slot die coating delivers precise, consistent electrode layers. This essential first step ensures high-quality films and lays the foundation for high-performance thin-film batteries. Learn more and build your own slot die coaters at infinityPV.com.